Uncle Peter, tell us a bedtime story.
What the heck is on my head right now?
Bugsy.
Why do you call him Bugsy?
Because of his eyes.
Those would be big on a cow.
Anyways, back to the story. Once upon a time, the greatest of all the heroes was Spartacus. And then...
It started raining gumballs.
It started raining gumballs.
That's weird.
From Walt Disney Pictures.
Last night I told my sister's kids a bedtime story and it came true.
This is gold.
Yeah. I got a new story I want to lay on you.
What happens in the tales he tells
How can I ever thank you?
will happen in real life.
Then it dwarf kicks them in the butt.
So the kids control the story.
But he's about to discover that once the story starts,
Woo!
there's no telling where they're going to end.
Then somebody threw a fire on it.
You want me to catch on fire?
Adam Sandler.
Flame resistant spread.
That's for Christmas trees?
Oh, I'm sorry. It doesn't hurt that bad. Oh, you're right, that hurts.
Bedtime stories.
Ipinagmamalaking ihandog ng Star Cinema.
3 buwan na kita nililigawan, hindi mo pa rin ako sasagutin?
Eh, ba't hindi mo na lang kasi tanggapin? Hindi mo ako matatalo.
Hindi mangyayari yon dahil bukas mauunahan na kita. Magiging girlfriend na kita.
Ang unang pagsasama sa pelikula. Nina Piolo Pascual at Angel Locsin.
Kahit matagal ako nawala, hindi ibig sabihin nakalimutan ko na ang lugar na to. Ang pagiging cowboy. O ikaw.
Hoy, kung hindi ka masasaktan, mapapahiya ka lang. Sinabi mo, mahal mo ko, diba? Kung sabihin ko sino importante sa akin na umalis, pakikinggan mo ba? Huwag ako papiliin. Hindi ko ka na ako tukay. Nausap mo.
Hindi kita maintindihan, Ara. Mahal kita, Ara. Mahal kita. Land Down Under. Sa direksyon ni Rory B. Quintos.